We're back for another episode of interesting resolutions that come from mediations. A little while ago, I mediated an employment dispute, and at the end of the day, the defendants agreed to pay a specific amount and we had a deal. But there was a sticking point about the tax allocation of that amount. The defendants wanted to pay 50/50, 50% on a W 2, 50% on a 1099. Plaintiff did not have any lost wages in the case. She was still working for the employer, and so she said it should all go on a 1099 on account of alleged emotional distress. The defendants ultimately agreed that they would pay the same amount that they'd agreed to, and then they would allocate 50/50, and then they would assess how much more the plaintiff would need to pay in taxes that year because that 50% went on a W 2. And they would pay that amount in cash additional up on top of what they'd already agreed to pay in order to make up that difference for the plaintiff. And the plaintiff's attorney agreed not to take any portion of that additional amount as their attorney's fees. They agreed the settlement was the original number, and the case got settled.